In this video, I will show you how to fix copy and paste not working in Microsoft Word document. So click on File, then More, and here click on Options. Then click on Trust Center. Then click on Trust Center Settings. Here you have to enable all macros. So select this fourth option. If another one is selected, so select this enable all macros. And guys, it's not recommended because sometimes some potentially dangerous code can run if you enable this setting. But if you are sure and you need to copy paste any macro content, so you can enable it. Click on OK, and now hopefully copy paste will work. So this is the things you can try to fix this problem. And in the last, close and reopen your Word document. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.